Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to swap out the hose seats on your Fieldpiece Analog Gauge Set, specifically upgrading to 5/16" hose seats. If you primarily work on mini splits, this is a smart upgrade. The 5/16" hose seats make it easier to store and coil your hoses. The 5/16" fittings are silver-plated, so they're easy to spot and reference in the field. All you need is a 4mm Allen wrench, your replacement 5/16" hose seats, part number RGSH7, and a little medium-strength thread locker. Let's get into it. Take your 4mm Allen wrench, insert it into the hose seat you want to swap, and turn counterclockwise to loosen and remove it. Once it's out, clean up the threaded mounting hole and remove any debris. Now grab your 5/16" replacement hose seat and apply a small amount of medium-strength thread locker to the threads. Drop it into the mounting hole and tighten it clockwise with your Allen wrench until it's snug. Wipe off any excess thread locker and let it fully cure based on the manufacturer's recommendations before putting the manifold back to work. Repeat for any other hose seats you want to swap over to 5/16". And that's it. Now your manifold is set up for 5/16" hoses. Quick swap, big upgrade for mini split techs. Thanks for watching.